Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you about bitwise logical operator. I am taking bitwise logical operator in between Boolean logical operator because to understand the next Boolean logical operator, first we need to understand bitwise logical operator. So let's begin with bitwise logical operator. Bitwise logical operator are similar to your logic gate. In bitwise logical operator, we use the same truth table that we use with our logic gates. Mainly there are four type of bitwise logical operator: AND, OR, XOR and NOT. The name and sign of bitwise logical operator and Boolean logical operator are same. So how will you differentiate between Boolean logical operator and bitwise logical operator? It's very simple. In Boolean logical operator, there are two conditions on the either side of the operator. One condition on the left hand side of the operator and other condition on the right hand side of the operator. Whereas in bitwise logical operator, there are two values on the either side of the operator, one on the left side and other on the right side. In bitwise logical operator, the values are first converted into binary values, that is 0 and 1 format, and then the operation is performed on those values. Now let's see the truth table of logic gates that we will be using in our bitwise logical operator. Here it is. Here, when both the values are 0 and we perform AND operation, the result is 0. When the first value is 0 and the second value is 1 and we perform AND operation, then the result is 0. If the first value is 1 and the second value is 0 and we perform the same operation, then result is 0. And when both the values are 1 and we perform AND operation, then the result is 1. Now let's see how we can use it. I will open Notepad++. Here I will make a new file. First I have to import the basic libraries of Java. Now I will make a class and the name of class will be demo bitwise operators. Now I will make a main method. Now I will take two variables here, int a and int b. Let's initialize them also. I will give here 1 and here 5. Now the first bitwise logical operator is AND. Let's see how we can use it and how it will work. I will type system.out.println and here I will write bitwise logical AND and here I will write A and B. Let's see how it will work. First, the value of A will be converted into binary form and then the value of B will be converted in binary form. Now if we want to convert A, that is 1, into binary form, then we have to write 0 0 0 1, and if we want to convert B, that is 5, into binary form, then we have to write 0 1 0 1. Now we will perform AND operation between these two values. Now the first two values are 0 and 0 and the result will be 0. Second two values are 0 and 1. The result will be 0. Third two values are 0 and 0. Again the result will be 0. and the final two values are 1 and 1. The result of AND operation between 1 and 1 is 1. So our final result comes 0, 0, 0, 1. That is 1. Now let's see what is the result of this operation. Let's save our program. I will save all my programs in my F drive Java programs folder. File name will be demo bitwise operators.java. Now before compiling our program, let me correct it. Here the P should be small. Let's save it again. Now let's compile our program. To compile a Java program, we type javac followed by file name, that is demo bitwise operators.java. Our program has compiled successfully. Let's run our program. To run a Java program, we type Java followed by class name. There you can see our program has compiled successfully and the result is 1. So this is how your bitwise logical operators work. The second bitwise logical operator is OR. The truth table of OR gate that will be used in bitwise logical OR operator is when both the values are 0 and we perform OR operation, then the result is 0. When first value is 0 and second value is 1 and we perform OR operation, then the result is 1. When the first value is 1 and the second value is 0, the result is 1. When the first value is 1 and the second value is 1, the result is 1. Now let's see how we can use it. I will copy this statement and I will paste it here. Just need to make some changes. Here this is OR operator and this is how we can use bitwise OR operator. The next bitwise operator is XOR operator, and the truth table for XOR gate is when both the values are 0, result is 0. When first value is 0 and second value is 1, result is 1. When first value is 1 and second value is 0, result is 1. When both the values are 1, the result is 0. Let's see how we can use XOR operator. I will paste this statement again and I will change the sign here and the name here. This is how we can use XOR gate or bitwise XOR operator. Next bitwise logical operator is NOT operator. As I have told you in the Boolean logical operators also, NOT operator is used to invert the values. The only difference here is if you want to find out the correct answer, then you have to use the 2's complement method. This is how we can use bitwise logical operators. Now before saving our program, let me correct it. I have made a spelling mistake here. It will be I here also and here also. Now let's save our program. Let's compile our program. To compile a Java program, we type javac followed by file name, that is demo bitwise operators.java. There you can see our program has compiled successfully. Now let's run our program. There you can see our program has executed successfully. This is how we can use bitwise logical operators. That's all with this program. If you like my video, then please share it, subscribe it, keep learning, keep rocking.